What's up guys, Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. So in today's video, we're going to check out an extension from Christina Eneroth that allows you to slice your model using section planes. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. So Eneroth Slicer is an extension that you can download from the SketchUp extension warehouse, and it basically allows you to use section planes in order to slice your model. Note that this extension does have a $5 price tag on it, so just something to be aware of when you're taking a look at this. But basically, the way that this tool works is it allows you to add a section plane to an object. So let's say I was to section this box right here. Well, then you can right click on that box and you can click on the option for slice. Well, notice what this does when you slice this is it takes the geometry that's in your model and it slices it into two groups like this. And so if you wanted to, you could do the same thing again, like this. You could right click and you could slice your model like this. Now, one thing to be aware of is it is going to take that remaining geometry and put it in a group like this, which isn't a huge deal to me, but just something to be aware of. Now, I did want to note that there is a free extension out there that does something somewhat similar called ZORRO 2. It's an extension from MindSight Studios. And what it does is it actually trims your model. So the way that that would work, and let's go ahead and use the follow me tool in order to finish this sphere. And so what that tool would do is you can right click on your section plane and click on the option for slice model at section like this. And so this one's a little bit different though, because what it does is it actually removes anything behind your section plane, right? So it's a little bit more destructive. So like this one, for example, we wanted to cut this up, but we didn't necessarily want to delete everything. This one actually removes everything behind the section plane. So a little bit different. If you're not looking to delete everything, I think Christina's tool is going to be a little bit better tool. If you don't care, you can use ZORRO. Plus ZORRO also lets you do fun stuff like this. So you can slice things just based on your view and where you draw a line. But let's say that we had more of a house model. So maybe this one right here from Paul Wall. So we'll just bring this in. We'll place it off to the side so nothing else gets messed up. So let's say that we wanted to slice across our model that wasn't just a section plane. Let's say we wanted to cut the whole thing. Like maybe we wanted to create like a diorama or something like that. There's a lot of different reasons why you might do this, but let's say we wanted to cut this right here. So something like this, right? So with Eneroth Slicer, what you can do is you can right click on this and just click on that slice button. And what that's going to do is that's going to slice that model and now it's in two pieces. So it's super fast and easy to do. It's just going to split that model up right here. So if you want something that's a little bit more permanent, or if you actually need to cut the geometry inside of your space, Eneroth Slicer could be a good fit. And notice how it doesn't delete the rest of the house in here, which is the other reason why you might use it. I'll link to some other videos about some other Eneroth extensions on this page, but leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.